Crystallization occurs when a solid transfers from a liquid solution to a pure solid crystalline substance. In chemical engineering, crystallization occurs in a crystallizer. Rock candy is made from crystallized sugar. Crystallization is the process of forming a solid crystalline precipitate from a solution or melt substance. The equipment and ingredients that need for this experiment include a 3 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, a glass, a pot, a clip or clothespin wide enough to cover the top of glass, wood skewer or popsicle stick. And lastly, optional flavoring. First step in our experiment is to make a sugar solution to put on the stove. Add 1 cup of water into your pot. Then add 3 cups of sugar. Mix them all together until they truly mix. Take 1 skewer and dip it in some water in the glass and roll it in sugar. This will create the seed crystal for a rock candy. Once it is coated, set it aside until it's dry. While you wait for your stick to dry, place the pot that contains the solution onto the stove. Stir as it warms up. Once your solution begins to boil, stir rapidly until all sugar mixes into the solution. Add any flavoring or coloring into your solution. Pour it into the glass. Let the solution cool for 10 minutes. Then place the sugar coated stick into the middle of glass and hold it in place with the clothespin. Leave your solution in a warm, dry place to cool. As it cools, crystal will begin to grow on the stick. The water experiment starts off at room temperature. At room temperature, the solubility of the water is not high enough to dissolve all the sugar that we add into the pot. When we place the pot on the stove, the heating element raises the temperature of the water. As the water temperature increases, its solubility also increases eventually once at boiling point around 100 degrees Celsius. The water solubility is high enough that able to dissolve all the sugar into the water. We are able to dissolve much more sugar into the water than what can normally be dissolved at room temperature. We are creating a supersaturated solution. First, fine crystal of the substance are obtained. Second, solid which decompose on heating can be safely purified. Third, operate at a lower temperature and has lower energy requirement than corresponding distillation separation. 4. It replaces the blood sugar level very quickly. 5. Rock candy relief vomiting. 6. Being natural coolant. It is useful to bring the body temperature down. It's being rich in carbohydrate, keep body well and energized during fever. First, it can increase blood sugar level, hence not suitable for people with diabetes mellitus. Second, lower immunity. Third, some substance remain with the liquid. 4. Liquid need to be purified for further use. 5. Generally only purify one component. After doing this experiment, I learned that sugar goes into solution better at higher temperature. It becomes thick and yellow color, which means that sugar went into solution. The crystal crack when the sugar come out of the solution that stuck inside of the glass. In this experiment, I learned that temperature has a big effect on the growth of rock candy, but sugar content does as well. Thank you.